Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best grilled cheese sandwich ever. Trust me, after this, you'll never look at a grilled cheese the same way again. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, you're gonna need some good bread. I recommend sourdough or a nice crusty Italian loaf. None of that flimsy white bread here, folks. Next up, butter. And I mean real butter, none of that margarine nonsense. Get it nice and softened so it spreads easily. Now, let's talk cheese. This is where you can get creative. You can stick to the classic American cheese, but if you want to elevate your sandwich, mix it up with some sharp cheddar, creamy Havarti, or even a little bit of Gouda. My personal favorite combo is cheddar and mozzarella. You get that sharpness from the cheddar and the amazing melty stretch from the mozzarella. Alright, let's assemble. Take your bread, spread a generous amount of butter on one side of each slice. Place the buttered side down on a skillet or griddle. Now, pile on your cheese. Be generous, because let's be real, the cheese is the star of the show here. Top it with the other slice of bread. Butter side up. Now, here's the trick to getting that perfect golden brown crust. Keep the heat on medium-low. Patience is key. You don't want to rush this. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then flip it carefully. Another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side, and you should have a beautifully golden, crispy, melty masterpiece. Optional step here, but if you want to get a little fancy, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on the outside of the bread before cooking. It adds an extra layer of flavor and crunch. All right, let's cut into this bad boy. Listen to that crunch, and look at all that gooey cheese. Absolute perfection. There you have it, folks. The best grilled cheese sandwich ever. Simple, quick, and oh so satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Catch you in the next one.